Hey guys, the South Geek here. Want to show you how to install the motherboard on the HAF X. First, you want to remove the cables. Let's just hide it just for now. Oops. Come on. Right there. You want to remove. I don't know if it's necessary, but just grab a screwdriver. Ooh. Now, let's install the motherboard. So let me grab the motherboard from my desk. There we go. So this thing goes like this, right? Look at the back panel. It's insulated, which is cool. I want to just place on the right place and gently press. There we go. On the metal you have engraved the whole index for the different models: M80X, ATX, E80X, and XL80X. So that's all the motherboard support screws. So now let's try to put the motherboard in. There we go. You have to press on the motherboard for align the holes with the screws. Now we get the screws for the motherboard. Let me check. Yeah. Let's place the screws first. Be careful with the screws, they are slightly different, so if you feel that it's a little bit hard, check the screws, please. There you go. The motherboard is installed inside of the So there you have, the installation is complete. Another tip: check the CPU fan. It's not touching any of the cables. That's all for this video. See you. Oh, let me just make another thing, and that's putting the RAM. I'm gonna check if the motherboard need special order for the dual channel. Okay, it says that the recommended, again my phone, recommend the order for the RAM when you have two is to use the A2 and the B2 slots. It's the bluish one. I have to lift that thing up, place it right, and then open the other one real quick. There you go. So let's see what is next. I will have to change the camera when I put the PSU, clean the VGA, place it, and do the cable management, because I'm using a webcam. So I guess that's all for this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.